Did you know that you can create your own PFP NFT collection with no code and for free? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to build and launch your PFP style collection on Mintpad, all without writing a single line of code. So let's dive right into it. So the first step will be opening your browser and go into mintpad.co. At the top right corner of the home page, you'll see a button that says create. Go ahead and click that. So the next step will be connecting your wallet. So Mintpad supports several wallet options here, but for this example, we'll use MetaMask. At the top right corner, you can also switch networks. Mintpad supports several network options here, but for this example, we'll use Base. So now it's time to create your project. Select generative art. So this is the option you'll use to build your PFP style collection. So as you can see here, I've already prepared a folder with different parts of my PFP. We've got several layers like backgrounds, shoes, base, face, head accessories, and arms. Let me show you what that looks like. After that, we'll just set this aside. So on the left side of the screen, you'll see an option here which is add layer. This is where you'll add all your artwork layers, one for each trait category like background, shoes, face, and accessories. Let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see here, I've added all the layers. We have base, background, shoes, face, head accessories, and arms. So once you've added all the layers, the next step is to upload the actual artwork files. You have two options here. You can drag and drop your files directly into each layer, or you can upload them manually from the folder. In this tutorial, we'll try both methods, but for this example, we'll use drag and drop first. Let's go ahead and click base. Then open up the base folder, select all the art, and simply drag and drop all the files. There we have successfully uploaded all our base artwork. The next step will be our backgrounds. Make sure to click the background first. For this example, we'll do the manual method, and let's go ahead and go to our Mintpad folder, click backgrounds, make sure you're clicking the right folder, select all of it, open, and then there you have it. All the backgrounds is uploaded, and then we'll do the same to each layer. So now all of our layers is uploaded. Next step will be time to set up the rarity of your traits. In a PFP collection, certain traits are more often rare than others. For example, a crown or a special accessory is more rare than the others. So on Mintpad, you can adjust the rarity percentage for each trait. All you need to do is click this and adjust the rarity. For this example, for the crown, I want it super rare. And when you change one, the others will automatically adjust to keep everything balanced. So let me adjust other layers that we got here. For the cringe, I want it the most rare. For the shoes, let me choose corrupted abomination. I want this rare. For the background, let's see, matrix, it looks cool. I want this rare. For this gold, I want this rare. So you can see when I adjust the gold, everything adjusts accordingly. So after adjusting the rarity of each layer, let's go ahead and go to settings. So now we have to name our project. We'll name it project base. Go ahead and write your description. It could be your mission, your story, or the vision of the project. And for the collection size, for this example, we'll use 100. And let's go back to design, and we're ready to generate our collection. Go ahead and click generate collection. And there you have it. With just one click, all of your collection is now here. So for example, we're scrolling up here and we see a lot of pumpkins, and I want the pumpkins very rare. I can go back to the design and find the pumpkin. Go ahead and adjust this rarity into rare, and just go ahead and click regenerate. Go ahead and confirm. So as you can see here, Mintpad will regenerate the art for you. And in case you wanted to go back to your previous collection, you can go ahead and click collection 1. But for this example, I want the pumpkin to be rare, so I'll put collection 2. You can go ahead and adjust your rarity according to your preference. And once you're happy with this collection, it's time to deploy to the smart contract. Go ahead and click smart contract and click upload to IPFS. Wait a minute, we are generating a logo and a banner for this collection. So here you can see the logo and the banner. You can go ahead and change that according to your preference. And let's go ahead and click upload to IPFS. By the way, guys, Mintpad is completely free for creators to use and no code needed. Your collection is now safely uploaded to IPFS, and let's go ahead and deploy it to smart contract. Here you can double check all the project details. You can adjust the creator rewards, and now it's time to deploy it to base. Let's confirm it to our wallet, and boom! Congratulations! You've successfully deployed your NFT project base. Now let's visit the project dashboard. Let's go to our Minton page, visit page. And that's it, guys. Congratulations, you've successfully created your own PFP-style collection on Mintpad. Completely free with no coding required. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mintpad guides. See you on the next one. Peace.